In addition to be a outfit repetitor, I am also a food repetitor. I always eat the same breakfast, dinner, lunch, snacks every single day. Like gonna say, I don't know what. Hello everyone. Anyways, so I am I am in Winnipeg now. For those who don't know, I was in Saskatoon then. I went here to Winnipeg to spend a few days here and then I will go back. Okay. So I woke up at 6:30 and now it is 7 now it is 7 a.m. And the reason why I wake up so early is because I want to have a consistent sleep. So I always sleep at 10:30 and I wake up at 6:30. So there's a 8 hours difference, and I found that having a consistent sleep schedule is really beneficial for your sleep quality and can help you fall asleep easily, because I always had trouble with falling asleep, especially when you want to get your 8 hours of sleep. And also, what was I gonna say? I don't know what wasn't gonna say. Anyways, who cares? So I'm gonna make my breakfast, and I'm this type of person again that like repetition. So I always eat the same breakfast, the same lunch, the same dinner every single day, and I also tend to avoid trying new food, and I don't want that to be my fear. So I always eat the same meal, and today my breakfast is egg, so one egg or two even, and carrots and an avocado. That's it. Or I can even add half a banana if I want to. But I'm gonna make my breakfast now. Gotta stay hydrated first. Okay, I am done cooking my meal. If you ever see it, yes, it is. It looks so delicious, and that's the same meal I eat every day. Like, and I feel like that is so beneficial for my health, and I know what to eat the next day, so I don't have to worry about it. And I just wanted to say something with this pen, fry pen. I don't even know how to pronounce it. This pen is so good. I haven't seen this pen before, and it's not sticky. It is a not sticky pen. When I was in Saskatoon, I had this pen that was so sticky. I don't even know why. Why are you sticky? It was so sticky, and this one is totally the opposite, and I highly recommend it. This is so good, and it is so lightweight. Anyways, that that's that was just a side note. So all I have to do is now to clean here, and then I'm gonna eat after. Okay. So I wanna clean, clean, clean. Okay. One I am eating, I either watched something on my computer, like a YouTube video or even or read a book. But now I decided to just stay calm without distraction because I haven't done this for a while, and I encourage people to do that too because you can sit with your thoughts, I guess. Oh no, I've learned I'm vigorous. You can sit with your thoughts and deal with it and not getting distracted, and that can prevent you from doom scrolling, I guess. Because when I'm eating, I always doom scrolling. I don't know why on YouTube. Can you do scroll on YouTube? I don't even know. Because it's YouTube shorts. So yeah, yeah. So now I decided to just eat like this without any distraction, I guess. Okay, finished eating. Now I'm gonna do my Bible study, and I will show you what has helped me with my Bible study because I believe when you are solely reading the Bible, you'll be lost and be confused by it and not being able to understand all of it, and that will lead you to giving up. So, what has helped me so far is to get a devotional book. So, yes, what I have been using so far is called Truth for Life by I. Listerberg. So this devotional book is so it takes some verses in the Bible and he explains what is his meaning, and that would be a way to reflect on it and then understand it in a deeper level because there's some great verse in there and that have some meaning, but I haven't seen this meaning so far, and I feel like that is so helpful when you are doing your Bible study. And then of course I got my journal, and I'm this type of person that hates writing. Like I cannot stick to journaling, but I have to because when you're gonna be like, I guess, successful, I don't think that's the right word, but like, better circumstances, you will go back in it and see what was your life like. It's like a flashback. And I find it so helpful if you are struggling and you don't see like the result, you can get back to it and see what God has done for you in your life if you forgot it. And of course, the Bible. I recommend getting a simple Bible because there's some type of Bible that um are just so hard to understand and you will give up. So yes, my Bible that is in French because why not? Anyways, you can get the NIV type of Bible. That is the simplest version of the Bible you can get. And this book is in simple words too, and this is so helpful to understand it. Especially what book is so Revelation. I don't understand what is going on here, but here I can understand. But I haven't got to that point yet, but I'll see. I know that I will understand because the language is it's just so simple. Anyway, so I'll do my Bible study and I'll get back to it later. Okay, I just finished my Bible study, and I just want to say that yesterday I was feeling so down. I was feeling so depressed because I didn't have this specific item, or I was just not satisfied with my circumstances right now, and that's why having a go-to verses that will comfort you or reassure you is really important to just uplift you and not fall back. Like don't be tempted by I don't even know what I'm saying, bro. Just don't let the devil win. Anyways, my go-to verses are Psalms 145, and it says, "The Lord is trustworthy in all His promises and faithful in all He does," and that is really comforting and reassuring because I know that God give me reassuring that I will have um better future in my life. But when you don't see the result immediately, it's really completely complicated to believe that statement. So having This like verse is really reassuring and comfort me and reassure me that God is faithful and He will do what He says. And then another one is the God upholds who fall and lifts up who are bound down. And the bound down here means those people who are physically bent down and that are mentally or physically exhausted, like I was yesterday. And so having this verse reassuring you that yeah, you are in a difficult situation and God is actually with you in the room, so it will help you and you are not alone in the situation. And that's just my go-to verses if you are feeling like lonely or exhausted of life or thinking that life isn't fair, God is not with me, or even like being mad at God. I've always complaining about why God not doing this in my life, like constantly comparing myself to others, and that is not a good trait of a Christian. And I need to stop that and be patient and know that God is doing the right thing and it's just not the proper time. And another verse is the eyes of all look to him and you give them their food at the proper time. And this verse can be applicable in all situations. It doesn't have to be only food. It can be anything like a marriage, something, marriage, item, uh career, anything, and he will give you at the proper time. And this is so good and reassuring one. You are just don't feel like God is with you in this situation right now. Okay, guys, as you can see, I ate. So my dinner was just rice, carrots again, and some meat. And I didn't, as you can see, the clip was horrible. Like, why can't I clip it this? And as you can see, I mean, you don't see it. What am I saying? Anyways, so I didn't record one I was cooking because there were so many people in the kitchen, so I didn't want them to be in the video, and that's why the clip is so horrible. And right now, after eating, I always sit down in this sofa and then just watch some YouTube video, be educated, learn about something new every day. And I also wanted to learn Spanish, but I am not consistent, guys. Why is it so complicated? Anyways, but the key is to be consistent, guys. Consistency is key. Anyways, and I read a lot of article subtype, and this application is so good. Like there's so many great articles that can help you be educated about a particular topic, and I highly recommend reading those. And you can also do your own or write about it. No, don't write about it. Write your own article. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and I'll get back to you later. The forest is so deep. I like to connect with nature. Yeah. Good. They are so cute types. And they're like, look at this many bugs. It's not the cutest thing ever. I don't know. I don't know. And they also have, this is so cute. Like, look at all of Okay, guys, I'm back home and it is currently 8:46, and that means it is Bible time, Okay, I started making dinner, but I know that it's gonna take a lot of time, so I'm just waiting for my rice to be cooked. Anyway, so for my Bible study, it's not like a Bible study. It's just staying with God, like staying with he's present, And then I gonna reread this a chapter of this because this is one page for a day, and I love reading. And this is not enough for me. I just want to finish the book in one day, but this is not how it works. So I'm just gonna reread the the chapter that I've read this morning, and then again meditate on it, reflect on it. What can I do better? The next day, how can I apply it to my life? All those type of questions, all those reflection questions. Okay, I'm done eating, and I usually sleep at 10, and I'm gonna end this vlog here. And I hope you have learned a lot of lessons, especially regarding Christianity, because this journey with Jesus is really hard, and you can be like really tempted by the devil. And our role here is just to fight against it and stay in the word. And I found that when you are like depressing or not feeling good at all, go see the word, like read it through it, and you will like have hope immediately. At least that works for me. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one.